Hello everyone, my name is Rajnish Tiwari and in this tutorial I am going to demonstrate you how to create many-to-one mapping in Hibernate. For this I am going to create a new model object, that is model department. For this I have to go to the class and create model department. Since it is a model class, so I have to annotate it with entity and will import it, and also need to annotate it with table and we'll give it a name, that is department. And I have to extend this with model basic. It is just a basic class where we have an id, and it is overridden with has code and equals, so that no two id of the same model class can be duplicate. And after that I have to annotate with column the number of columns I want in here. Like first of all, the column name should be department code, and column definition should be varchar 25. You may stretch it to 255, whatever if you wish to. And private string dpt code. Alongside we can add dpt name, column definition to varchar 25. I am just putting it up. If you wish, you can private string dpt name and a column name dpt skills. Column definition can be anything, that is varchar 25, and here I will take department skill, like it may be technical, non-technical, or something else if there we need to provide, and we'll create the generator and setter for this three of these attribute for three of these columns. And well, that's it here. Now we will move to model employee. Here we have to create a many to one relationship. We'll write many to one, and we'll add some attribute in here like fetch type dot dg. Apart from that, cascade property, that is cascade type dot all, and we'll write join column so that we can have a property name as amp department id, and we'll have a foreign key name as foreign key, and we'll name here as fk underscore mp underscore dpt, and we'll write private model department. Since it is a many-to-one mapping, we don't need any list or set, we just need any object, so we'll write here as accordingly, and we'll generate the set and getter for this. Here we will generate the set and getter and move to the source and create generate and setters for this department, and that's it. Now we will move to Hibernate.xml. Since we are adding a new model class, we have to map it here. I will make sure that package name and class name should be correct. If there any problem, may cause an error. So we have all did this. Now we can go to the generate query and run Java application. We can go to the model.sql, we'll control C and we'll move to here and we'll paste that. Now show tables. There are 4 tables in here: department, employee, employee address and employee profile. That's all. For now I have to move to repository service to look into the changes what we need to for, like we have to create a instance for the model department. md equals to rs dot create mod create department, and we'll create a model in here. We'll write private model department create department, and here we'll write model department empty equals to new department equals to new model department, and empty dot set id as 100 dot set department code as 001, empty dot set department name as my department, and department skill is technical, and will return the same object empty, return empty. Here all is goes well. So now we have to just attach this instance to this property to md set department, and we'll write md. That's it. And since we need to update this, after getting persisted, we need to check whether we have did this correct or not. So we will get a get query. So we can get access it through like here, like get department dot get department skill, and after doing this we need to an update. So we will do method get department dot set department skill as non technical, as we have said before technical, and after getting this we have attached this to and will update this data. After that, if we need, we can copy this select query and we'll post it here. Now we are in good position to run this. I'm commenting this delete method so we can check it in our database whether it is doing good or not. So let's run this. Run Java application, and if all goes well it will print yes. Previously it was technical, now it changed to non-technical. We can check it in our database. Select asterisk from department and select restrict from employee. You can check there is an ID reference with this employee, and in this reference we have this data and department. That's all from many to one mapping. In my next tutorial you can continue we will continue with many to many mapping. Thank you.